Hello, what about a little visit to Gourock? Welcome along to the channel. On this video we'll take a little walk through the centre of Gourock, through Kempock Street, and we'll head up to the Granny Kempock Stone. We'll show you the Granny Kempock Stone and St John's Church. So join me, David, on this little walk through Gourock. And this is the War Memorial just outside the Gourock Outdoor Swimming Pool. Bees are really enjoying this plant here outside the Gourock Swimming Pool and the War Memorial here. This is a bee-friendly plant. Look at that. There's lots of buzzes. There's another bee over there. Lots and lots of them. Great to see. Wildlife friendly. And the War Memorial. And the famous, the iconic Gourock Outdoor Swimming Pool. I'm looking right across to the River Clyde. This is one of Gourock's iconic landmarks, the Gourock Outdoor Swimming Pool. So let's take a wee walk through Kempock Street with the Taj Mahal work being done to the restaurant. In Kempock Street you can find lots of independent shops and restaurants. I like the name of this local shop, Coolie Inn. And here you can purchase some gifts, some Scottish gifts. See a healing coo there, a few healing coos. So if you're looking for some gifts, that's one of the places to check out. Coolie Inn. And for some food and drink, you've got Good Brew here. Historic Cafe Continental. And here's wee Annie. And someone's actually knitted, what is it you call it? Crochet, is that what you call it? Crochet bomb? A Scotland flag. So Annie's supporting the Scotland team in the World Cup. I think it's a Scotland flag there by the looks of it. I might be wrong. Well, I thought it was a Scotland flag here. Yeah, could be. Yeah, I think it may well be. There's wee Annie. Just looking down there is the Gourock train station, and a little bit further along the ferry terminal for ferries to both Dunoon and Kilcreggan. And the Gourock Clock Tower. which is St John's Church in Gourock. You can see it from the Clyde when you're sailing into Gourock. And also walking along Ashton Prom and various other locations in Gourock, you can see the clock tower. So that's St John's Church. So we're going to take a walk along here, Castle Gardens, to the Granny Kempock Stone. And there's Granny Kempock Stone. There's actually a plaque just over here telling you about the history of the Kempock Stone. Now if you wish to read the description here on the board, you can give the video a little pause to read all about the Kempock Stone. So there we are, that's Granny Kempock Stone. Back to St John's Church. We'll walk a little bit along beyond the St John's Church because there's a bowling club just over here. And it's a bowling club with a great view. We'll just see that in a second. And here's the bowling club. What a great view. Looking over the River Clyde down on to Ashton Prom and the yacht moorings from the Royal Gourock Yacht Club. This is Gourock Bowling Club. An excellent view for playing bowling. That's the Ferry, just arriving here in at Gourock Pier. Now we're in Kempock Gardens. We'll stop here for a little second to enjoy the colour from the plants. This is Kempock Gardens. So we'll head through the Gourock station and over onto the Waterfront walkway now. Along the waterfront walkway here at the station, we've got a mural showcasing the best of Inverclyde. stop here and look out on to the River Clyde. Cross over there to Kilcreggan. And there through the Gairloch, Rue and Shandon, and right over to Helensburgh, further down there. Over this side, it's looking over onto Cardwell Bay and the Battery Park. So let's continue our waterfront walkway here at the station. And the train just arriving. So the train will be heading off to Glasgow. You can just see St John's Church again there in the background. You can see that here from the station. So we're now over at the Cardwell Bay end of Gourock. We've got an old boat here with daisies coming up here. Next, a little classic car. It's an MG. There you go. Classic MG car there next to this collection of daisies. So this is us at the Cardwell Bay end. Take a walk along the waterfront at this side of Gourock. Various yachts moored out on the Clyde from Cardwell Bay Sailing Club. So there is a good breeze out on the Clyde today for sailing. Looking out across Cardwell Bay, across there is the Battery Park. Just across the water there you can see the Roseneath Peninsula and Kilcreggan. We're seeing plenty of bees today here in Gourock. Another one over this side at Cardwell Bay. Great to see. and the maintenance work currently being carried out on the railings along the shorefront here at Cardwell Bay. And just up the hill there, you can see the Free French Memorial up at Lyle Hill in Gourock. Thank you very much for joining me, David, here on this video for that little walk along the Gourock waterfront from just beyond Kempock Street over the Gourock swimming pool through Kempock Street and over here to Cardwell Bay. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up, a like, and you can also subscribe to see more of our upcoming videos. I'll see you on the next one.